Hello Odoo users and welcome to our channel. Today we will see the demo on PostNL Odoo shipping integration. This is operative currently in Belgium and Netherlands. In this video we will see company and shipping level configurations. So let's get started. So as this application is downloaded from the Odoo web store, first of all we will see the company configuration. So for that we will go to settings, user and companies and go to companies. In companies we have configured the demo database. So here we will mention all the general information about the company and go to post NL configuration tab. As we check this box, we will mention all this information that is provided to us by the shipping providers, that is post NL. After mentioning all this information, we will go back and see the shipping configuration. So for that, we will go to sales module, open configuration and go to shipping methods. Here we have configured the post NL shipping service. As we open the configuration, we will see first the provider list. So we will select the provider from the drop down, and here is the configuration. First is the company configuration. So if we have more than one company in our Odoo database, we can select any one of them to which post NL shipping service is applicable. Next is the package information. So there are different types of packages that we have configured and we can select any one of them. In the internal link of the packages, we can mention the size of the packages, select the carrier from the drop down and wait if required. Next is post NL product code. So there are different types of product code for post NL, and as per the provider's information, we have configured all of them over here. You can select any one of them as per the requirement. Next is the label format. So there are different types of label format for them, and we have configured them over here. So this is the basic shipping configuration that was provided by the shipping provider post NL, and we have configured. Now we will see its practical implementation while creating a sales order. So let's create a sales order. We will add the customer name. We will add the product and here add the shipping. In adding the shipping, we will add post annual shipping service and add the same. Now we will confirm the sales order and go to the delivery order. In delivery order, we will go to additional information and straight away validate the delivery order. On validating the same, the tracking reference will be fetched over here and the tracking smart button will be generated over here. So as you can see, tracking reference is fetched over here and tracking smart button is there. You can also use the label. As we can see, the label is in PDF format that we have selected, and here is the tracking link. So currently this is the test version, so you might not be able to track it. Otherwise, you will be able to track it directly. So this is the basic shipping configuration as well. So let us know if you face any issues while you configure the same for your store. Our team will be there to help you out. You can also write back to us at support@fragiletechnologies.com. Thank you.